clouds moved in the day you packed your bags. Now my spirit's hanging in these heavy tatters and rags. I watched your taillights vanish through the gray. In the summer heat just withered and died away. Now there's a dampness settling in my very bones, turning all our happy memories into heavy stones. And the cold rain falls on the garden we grew, drowning every flower that reminds me of you. It washes out the color, it blurs the city lights like 1,000 little needles on this heart of mine. You're somewhere dry and warm, far beyond the storm, while I'm shivering in pieces, trying to stay warm. Yeah, the cold rain falls and it never lets me be. I walk the pavement just to feel the sting of every bitter drop and the hollow songs they sing. People hide under umbrellas, rushing for the door, but I don't see the point in running anymore. If I get soaked to the skin, maybe I won't feel the burn of the bridge you set on fire with no bridge to return. It's not a gentle shower, it's a flood inside my chest, a restless kind of weather, and it won't let me rest. The sky is just a mirror of the way I'm feeling now, heavy, dark, and broken, and I don't know how to make it stop. Because the cold rain falls on the garden we grew, drowning every flower that reminds me of you. It washes out the color, it blurs the city lines like 1,000 little needles on this heart of mine. You're somewhere dry and warm, far beyond the storm, while I'm shivering in pieces, trying to stay warm. Yeah, the cold rain falls and it never lets me